Today, we will introduce lace fabric to you. Lace fabric is a decorative textile known for its intricate openwork patterns. Its key features include 1. Sheer and openwork structure. The most distinctive trait of lace is its mesh-like, perforated design, created through embroidery, weaving, or machine knitting. This structure provides breathability and a delicate, semi-transparent aesthetic, often used in layered outfits for dimensional effect. 2. Diverse production techniques. Lace can be handmade, such as bobbin lace or needle lace, or machine-made. Handmade lace features three-dimensional textures and is more expensive, while modern machine-made lace allows mass production at a lower cost while replicating complex patterns. 3. Versatile material combinations. Traditional lace uses cotton, silk, or linen threads, whereas contemporary versions often incorporate synthetic fibers like polyester or nylon for better stretch and durability. Blended lace combines the softness of natural materials with the structure of synthetic fibers. 4. Usage considerations. Due to its delicate structure, lace is prone to snagging and should avoid rough handling. Some machine-washable lace may lose shape, so hand washing and flat drying are recommended. High-quality lace often undergoes the anti-snag treatment for longevity. With its artistic appeal and craftsmanship, lace remains a timeless material in fashion, capable of conveying both classical elegance and modern avant-garde styles.
Okay, follow our channel to learn more about textile products and the production process.